This video is following on from the creating a cipher or code message, and we're going to do the opposite, which is cracking a code or a cipher. So we're going to be tricky here. We're going to start off with what we had last time, okay? Because we're going to use this to crack a code. So the first thing we're going to do is File, Save as a copy, because you want to keep the original one, and we're going to make some changes here. The first change we're going to make is we're going to create a new variable. I'm going to call this one message. And what I'm going to do is, instead of using answer, I'm going to use message. So I'm going to set message to what the answer is. And instead of using answer down here, I'm going to use message. So length of message, length of message, so length of answer. Now, you might be wondering, why are we adding extra work for no real reason? Because it's exactly the same thing. But we're going to be using a little trick here, so we can just keep on doing the same thing over and over. We'll see in a second. So instead of saying your cipher is, we're going to say, is this your message? Press space. So what happens here? If I press go, message A, B, C, D, okay, B, C, D, E. Well, that's the correct one, but you need to try this. What we're going to do is we're going to repeat it. Now, how many times do we need to repeat it? How long's the alphabet? That's not a trick question. And we're going to have a wait until, because we said press space, press the space button. Now at the end, we're then going to put the same message through. So it's going to repeat this whole thing again, but we're going to change message to be the new cipher. And let's have a look what happens here. So if the message was hello, hello changes to IFMMP, okay? So IFMMP, press enter, okay. Jake, oh, that doesn't make sense. So I'm going to press space. Oh, something's wrong here. I've made a mistake. Oh, I set message to message. I didn't want to send message to I want to send it to cipher. Let's try this again. Oh, and I need to put that in there too. Cipher should be empty. That needs to be in the loop. Let's try again. So, what was it again? IFMMP. That should be hello. Okay. Press space if it is. No, that's not right. So I'm going to press space. No, that's not right. Press space. That's not right. We've got a mistake here. Let's have a quick look at it again. So, message to answer. Ah, that's my mistake. Keep on doing that. There we go. Let's try this again. Okay. IFMMP. Okay. We know that's not right. So press space. Okay, it's different. That's not what we want. No. 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 We have to do this a lot of times. So what we're doing is we're changing the letter each time. So if it's A, we're transposing it to B. But if we want to transpose it 5 times, we just run it through the program 5 times, which is what we're doing here. Probably should have a message at the end as well, saying, so we need an escape at the end. So it's going to go through the alphabet times. Say, your message wasn't a code. So it gets to the very end, it will then say your message isn't a code. Evil. No. No. Ah. Oh, I can't count, can I? 26 times, 26 letters in the alphabet. So look at, if you use the same message, we know this one works. So G, D, K, K, N, that's if we put it through 24 times. So this should then change to hello. What did I do? 26, 25. So this is why the transpose code cipher, where you change the letter once, isn't great, because it's a very simple program to crack it. That said, it's a very simple one to make. So if you want to have a more complicated code, you need to spend more time to create it, and then it means it's a lot harder to crack it. But thinking about it, it took a lot longer to crack this code than it took to make it. So it's good to know that. And if you know how many steps it is, you can just straight away go to it. So if for example, I knew it was going to be pushing it 4 letters across, we just change repeat 4 times, and that would then make it so that it will go straight to the answer. So thank you very much.